homemade lava lamp! Yay! Here are the things that we need. Yeah. Vegetable oil, water, flashlights, measuring cups, food coloring, also seltzer, glitter, and confetti. Yeah. Yay. What we have to do first is fill bottles with 1/2 cup of water. Look at these ones. And I have got water. And we got 3 empty bottles. These are also materials that we need. Yeah. That's what's where's the cat? Okay, I'm really scared because I'm sometimes clumsy, so everything goes first. Nice. Okay, next. I can pour it by myself. Are you sure? Yes. Don't fill up too much. Wow. Good. Next is that. Glitter, tiny colored balls or toys. I'm gonna choose some green. Let's choose some white and green. I'm gonna choose some white. I'm gonna use some whites. I put green glitter because I think mine's gonna be green. A green lava lamp. And I'm very clumsy because I just put the not too much because I can't put it up.
A little bit more.
Not too much.
A little bit more.
Two colors. Okay. Hold the water. Hold it up. Put some confetti. Woo! Stars. I just have to put this on here. I put stars into mine. And I think I added too much green glitter. Don't tell me if I put too many stars. Let's put blue glitter and stars.
This
Golden
one.
and purple.
Okay.
Coloring. And mine is yellow. It's good enough. Oh, it's becoming green. Mine's green. Mine is blue. I used yellow. Add cooking oil. Now I'm gonna put in the vegetable oil. Fill it up. Come on, it's almost there. Okay, that's good. Ready. White. It's magical yellow. My hands are cooking. Really smart. Okay, good. That's good. That sounds good. That's good. Whoa. They're already looking like it. Except that it's not bubbling. Nope, it's the 5th one. Add alta seltzer. Okay, so we broke the antacid into pieces, and we're going to put them in. I'm gonna put them in first. Are you ready to feast your eyes?
Yeah! Yes!
Okay, I'm gonna put it in first. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Well, your turn, Lance, to put in 2.
Wow.
Whoa! What? Bubbling! It's literally bubbling and then the rest is going down. What? Whoa, Lance, put it in too. Whoa! I get excited! Whoa, come on! So is it?
Whoa, look at that!
What?
It's going back down.
So very beautiful. What? This is awesome.
This is tornadoes! And then there's tornadoes!
Let's add more. I want to add more. Yeah, add more. Add all of it. Bubble. Okay, I'm gonna close mine. Close it. Close it.
Awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in. Wait, just one of this. Just one of that, and this one is
So beautiful. Okay. Turn off lights and then light the bottom of the container with a flashlight. Oh, that sounds fun. Let's do this. Turns on this, I guess. Let's go turn off. Oh, whoa. It's like literally bringing the stars up with it too, and it's so bubbly. Once it hits the top, it goes back down and then again and again. Whoa. Oh, you want to try? Here we go.
Yeah.
Whoa. 2 at a time.
Okay.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Up and down, bubbling.
Just turn on the lights.
So beautiful. Now,
Guys, can you just turn on the lights? Just on a little stir.
whoa! Glitter.
Now, can you turn on the lights?
Wow. It's literally going up. I just can't stop talking about that.
Can you turn on the lights?
Whoa. Look at that.
It's going faster.
Wow, that's just bubbling so much. Mine's so glittery.
Yeah, me
Whoa,
too.
yours is so bright.
Yeah, I know.
Mine's like Billie Eilish color. Super starry.
Wow.
And mine is like
So
super
cool.
duper bubbly.
Look
I think
at the
it's better if you don't add glitter,
glitters.
but it's still beautiful with glitter.
Wow.
Wow.
Green, blue, and yellow. Lava
Earth,
lamp.
water, and light.
Wow, nice
Fire?
lava lamp.
Wow. Ooh. Super duper bubbly. Wow.
That was
so
super
cool.
Wow.
Wow.
That was
so
super cool.
That's
If
so.
you want to make one, just follow our steps right here.
Yeah.
If you like, do it like ours. If you don't like,
Also, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Have fun making one of your own if you want to. Bye.
Yeah.